Do you also suffer from sore eyes, itchy skin and cold hands each winter? Or does your home get terribly hot in summer? Ventilation is essential for a healthy indoor climate. But did you know that a comfortable temperature and good humidity are also crucial for your health? The HomEvap humidifier and cooler automatically creates the perfect healthy indoor climate all seasons of the year. Correct humidity levels protect your family's health, precious artworks, wooden floors, and any musical instruments in your home. You decide the type of control over the HomEvap, wired or wireless controller, external BMS, or web-based using any smart home system. The HomEvap products can be seamlessly integrated in any heat or energy recovery ventilation system. You don't have a ventilation heat recovery system? No problem. The HomEvap standalone will also ensure a healthy indoor climate. The HomEvap products are safe, energy efficient, fully automated, and easy to install.